Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make use of one of your old laptop CD drives. Now this one's just a standard ID CD drive, Pioneer one I believe. It's just standard ID laptop hard drive. And I'm going to make use of it by putting it into an external enclosure so that I don't have to put CD drives in on my computers. You can just have the one and just whenever you need it, plug it in whenever you want to any of your computers. So, let's have a look what we've got inside. Inside the box, we have a little cardboard tube with what looks to be a front panel. Another front panel connector, which actually looks exactly the same as the one I have, so I don't think there's any point changing that. So we'll leave that as it is. We also have some screws, which we'll need to tie this to the back of the enclosure. So it doesn't fall out. In here we have cables. We have a power cable, external power cable, so you can plug that in if you want it needs some extra power. We've also got a USB cable as well, obviously if connecting it to the computer so it actually works. And in here, this is the enclosure itself, which is empty, so you can see it's an ID connected down there, and the user manual. So let's go on with it. So the first thing we want to need to do is we need to take out the enclosure from the packaging, and we're going to have to, we're going to have to slide the CD drive in. It might be easy just to slide the CD drive in. So it's actually quite an easy task, but what you need to do is you need to make sure that you just push it in slightly like this. So just doing, should do. And just make sure you're just going in, and then when you get to the back, push it in, and that's it. That's all it really is. I know that wasn't much to this video, but at the end of the day, that's how it all goes together. Now what we need to do is just need to screw the back in, and then I'll actually give a demonstration actually, seeing as it was a very short video. So yeah, the first thing to do, you need to screw it in. You need to just line up the screw in the back here like that. And just screw in, practically. Like so, until it's tight, but not too tight, just snug. And then repeat again to the second one. Like so, and then that's it really. That's all it is. That's all it requires to do, and that's about it really. So, let's test it out. Hello, welcome to the second part of this video. I'm now going to plug the laptop laptop CD drive into the computer after we just built it into our enclosure, and we're going to test it out with a DVD. So here we go. So let's plug it in. When you plug it in, you should get a device driver installation at the bottom down here. It'll say installing drivers like that, and basically all it'll do is it'll install like that, telling you what the DVD drive model is. That's all it should really do, and it should be installed in about a matter of seconds. So once you've done that, we can now eject the disk drive, and we can put a DVD in and to see if it actually works. So the DVD I've actually got here, well, it doesn't really matter what it is as long as it works, but just for to tell you, it's called Miranda, the BBC Miranda Series 1, so it's, okay. Let's stick it in and see whether it plays. Now it should autoplay and should come up on the screen. If not, we'll have to go into the computer and click on it that way, but we'll see what happens. Give it a minute, the CD drive's wearing away now. Here we go. So let's play a DVD movie. So that tells you first of all that it can read DVDs. So that's a good sign. So just press play. And there we go. As we can see, it works fine. They can, the DVD drive that we just made together there can read DVDs and plays it pretty well. So you could use this to install operating systems, play DVDs on other computers, and all the rest of it like that, as you like.
Hello to you, and thanks for joining.
So there you go.
Isn't it?
That's a bit of the Miranda. Sorry if you couldn't hear me then, but that's just what Miranda sounds like when you load it up. So anyway, there we go. That's how to install and make use of a laptop CD drive for future needs. These cases, they're about £5. These enclosures. You can get different types. You can get SATA ones for SATA CD drives as well. So it's not just limited to IDE. So yeah, then you can get them on eBay. I've got this one on eBay, and I'll put a link in the description to that specific model, the one I got. If you want to get that one, you can do. It's just to let you know, most people think obviously eBay stuff's pretty cheap. This one actually seems to be built pretty well, so it's quite tough. It's not it doesn't look that cheap to be honest. It looks like it's well built, so that's a good start. So thank you for watching my testing part and the full video. Thank you very much. Please like, comment and subscribe.